never blinking. You were beautiful, just like a flower.
I am Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have such an exciting video because this is probably my favorite wig I've tried in a really long time. I'm actually just blown away. You're gonna want to stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Let's give a warm welcome to Vanlov hair. This is actually my first collaboration with them, so welcome. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 13x4 P18 613, which basically is ashy blonde highlight wig. And this is in the straight texture, but we decided to elevate her today and give her some waves.
I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. For 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears and I wouldn't.
This is cute.
Let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing.
This wig is gorgeous, like absolutely bomb.com. Wow. Wow. Excuse me, talk to me nice. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna glue this wig down because we need to be living our best life. Okay, first things first, we need to clean off the makeup from around our forehead. So I'm gonna use some rubbing alcohol. Or you could use a makeup wipe. Whatever's clever. That's what we're gonna go in with, is the Bold Hold glue. I do want to wear this wig for a couple days, I think, so I'm gonna put at least 2 coats.
Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven.
If your comb looks like this, clean it. Clean it before you go in because it's going to stick. You don't want it sticking because it's the whole point is smooth transition. So I'm gonna clean off my comb with some alcohol. I used to do a lot of glueless installs. I still do. It's still my favorite method, but you know, we gotta switch it up every now and then. If you spread it out right away, it's going to be easier to smoothen and it's not going to be too chunky. If you wait too long, it's going to start drying and then it's going to be harder to spread an even coat. So go in with that quickly. I'm gonna let that air dry. I didn't think it was going to look this good. Like I don't know what I thought, but I didn't think this. I'm excited. Let me hush before I mess this up. Your comb, smudge it in. Reason why I wanted to use glue for this install in particular, I've noticed like a lot of times when I do the blonde hair, the hairspray kind of like gets mixed in and it just does too much. Like it does too much to the color, to the hairline. I just think it's just easier. We don't have that issue. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I usually like to take the lace off first, but we're trying new things. What I like to do to figure out where it needs more glue, I just like to run my hands through it and I'll see where it's lifting. I'll take a little dab of glue, like that much on there, and then just pull the hair back and go in. So we're gonna melt it with this lemon melting spray. And that's what we want. It's giving Targaryen. But I'm gonna go in with some sort of like powder just to blend in the little light spots. Do we see what that's giving? So those are the colors I'm using.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you ain't no sense. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me down.
I might have liked it more without the baby hairs. What do you guys think? Yeah, like those are just too much. Over here on my channel, we like to do more natural installs.
I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go.
Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. This is the most beautiful blonde wig I've ever seen.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me.
You guys, tell me I didn't snap on this install. Oh my god.
Since I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
Now, the density 180%, I would say she's giving even more than that. She's giving 200. The texture is very unique. It's a very natural texture, which could feel like your own hair if you took care of it like I didn't do. Then this is what it would feel like and look like. Ashy wig is giving black girl friendly melanated skin. If you are chocolate skin tone, deeper, darker than my skin, this wig would look good. This wig would look good on anybody. It'll look good on the white girlies and the chocolate girlies too, because it is perfection. It is this ashy blonde color. Now you can see there's a really fine highlight, so it's giving darker tones towards the end. It looks like it, but it's just evenly done, you guys. This wig looks like you went to the hair salon and you spent like $1,000 to achieve this color. It is beautiful. And I did do a bit of face framing when I was done and I decided to curl her. I'm really impressed with how well it took to the curling iron. I didn't have to spray any products. I didn't have to wash this hair out beforehand. It's just beautiful. I love it. You guys, I can't stop staring at myself. It is so pretty. This is one that I'm going to have for a really long time. I can't imagine myself like ever wanting to not have this wig in my collections. And it looks good without a part, but it also looks good with a part. It's just a 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed?
Did you guys think I would leave without doing a bust down middle part? Come on now. I've been running my hands through it and it's just doing everything it's supposed to. Like, it's just so beautiful. I cannot stop raving about this unit. If you guys haven't had the opportunity to check them out, I suggest you do so because this wig is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This wig gets a 10 out of 10. If I can give it 100, I would. So it is most definitely caviarkezzy approved. Catch you later in another video real soon. Bye.